In this video, we're going to be talking about how to customize images. To customize an image, simply hover over it. You will see a blue menu appear, and you're going to want to go ahead and click the Add an Image icon. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll have the ability to select a file. Go ahead and click and locate whichever image you would like, and go ahead and press Open. You can change the headline name, and go ahead and click on Upload Image once it's selected. Once it's uploaded, you have the option to click Preview, and you're now able to preview your new uploaded image. If we hover over it again and click the image styling icon, we can scroll down on the top menu bar and take a look at the customization settings. Under Image Options, you have the ability to change this image so that it's a video if you would like. There's also an amazing built-in feature called randomizing. Now, we're currently not randomizing, but by selecting this, each time a new user loads your website, a new image from your full library will preview for this section. This is a great hack to keep your website looking fresh. Each time a user loads the web page, a new relevant image will preview from your full library. Now, you do have the option to click and view your library. We'll get more into that in a future tutorial. For now, I'm going to deselect randomizing and move on with customizing this image. Now, this software has some incredible features for customizing our image if we scroll down under Image Options. First off, we have the ability to rotate our image. You can increase or decrease the opacity of your image, add a blur to your image, increase contrast, brightness, set a grayscale, invert the colors of your image, saturate or desaturate your image, or change the hue of your image. Under Image Extras, you can set your image to spin, and you also have the ability to select borders. Start with border type. We can select a solid border. We can change the thickness, let's say to 7 pixels, and we can add a drop shadow to our image. As you can see now, we've created a nice white border around our image. We can select the border radius. This will add curves around our image and allow you to stylize it however you please. Now, you can customize the radius if you would like. By changing the top left, you will see that all the corners are straight besides for that top left corner where we increased the radius. We could set all of these to 10 pixels, and you'll see that there's a nice curve around our image now on all 4 corners. If you'd like to further customize your borders, you have the ability to change just the top, right, bottom, or left. So we can go ahead and select the top border to 10. You can see it's a little wider than all the others. If we just wanted a top and bottom border, we could select our bottom border at 10 pixels and then decrease our right and left to 0. And I'll show you what that does. You can see now you only have borders on the top and bottom. So get creative with adding images, editing them in the software, and working with borders.